Alright y'all, another quick video install on this Orion Motor Tech heavy duty tailgate shock. It's gonna get installed right here. Makes it easier for when you drop the tailgate, it doesn't slam on you. It eases down, so let's get started. $13 mil. Shock. Little goes a long way. I had to loosen this and move it out the way. Got this for safety features so I don't take away my tailgate. Get robbed. Alright, there we are. The hole just didn't want to fit properly, so I had to force it in there. This thing looks like it might be too long. When it closes, it might rub here. We'll give it a shot. Alright y'all, finished product here. I'll tell you what, this right here is some janky shit. This sticks out just a little too much to where it'll catch right there. It caught a little piece. I mean, what do I care, right? I guess this truck's already old as it is, but just be mindful, it will catch right here. So you're gonna have to either grind it down, or what I did was I hammered it in, because this plate right here was sticking out. There's a good gap right here from the plate to the tailgate, so I smashed that in and it allowed it to go in just a little bit so it clears. Just enough. And up here as well. Also, it rubs right here too. This part rubs somewhere like here. See that? Rubs. But other than that, good product.